Hey everybody, Darren Schwengler here from SBS, here to talk about the Blendtec Stealth. The Blendtec Stealth 885 is actually our best-selling blender in the whole line. Those who know Blendtec know they're built, they're reliable, they're strong, they got the most horsepower available in the marketplace, and a great warranty to boot. Now the Stealth is the quietest, most powerful, smartest blender still available today. Inside the Stealth is 42 can tunes inside. So that's 42 blends you can pick from and allocate to any one of your buttons inside. So you can come up with the perfect recipe every time and be consistent. If we can't come up with the perfect blend cycle or the perfect finished product you want from the 42 blend cycles that are in the blender, we can actually create a custom profile for you and create custom blend cycles, starting slow, going fast, or starting fast, slowing down, whatever we need to do to come up with the perfect finished product for you. Then we can upload it with a USB into the blender and name each drink accordingly. So the nice thing about for multi-locations is we can actually come up with a recipe, we can pre-program out shipping, as well as their specials come up with things like that. We can actually set up a program where we can have the new cycle sent out to locations they can download and upload to the blender. Now let's talk power. The Blendtec Stealth 885 has a 3.8 peak horsepower motor in it. It's powerful. What's really unique about Blendtec as well is our drive socket is made of hardened steel. This drive socket is actually welded to the motor. So you have a direct drive power going straight to the blades. So, you know, as anybody knows with cars, you lose a little bit of power with every joint. If you have a rubber mechanism here, you're losing power. If you have a clutch mechanism or a drive socket, you're losing power. In this case here, we're going straight from that to the blades into the jar. So you get the most power at the blades out of any of our competitors. Okay, so let's talk further about smart. We talked about the 42 blend cycles that are already in the blender, as well as we can go on through. This has diagnostics on it, so if it overheats or if it's overload, things like that, actually we'll record those. As well as we pull counters off, and we can pull blend cycles, and we can pull the cycles off, how many blends of each cycle as well. So it's got lots of information inside of it. Should there be a problem, we can actually maybe diagnose over the phone with the customer directly and resolve the issue quite quickly. Now, the Blendtec Stealth comes standard with the WildSide jar, and depending on the package you buy and where you buy it from, it could come with two. It's a nice feature because the jar pricing is subsidized within the blender. It comes with a nice soft lid that's super easy to take on and take off and seals really, really well. And of course, the WildSide jar is a very innovative unit. Actually pulling the vortex off to the side because of this fifth small side on the side, the vortex comes over and it draws the product in, so it actually blends more product faster. We just actually did an experiment with this, and they did a great job on smoothie bowls with this jar. It's made of copolyester from Triton, super durable. So let's talk about cleaning. You know, sometimes some blenders have a lot of nooks and crannies. You'll see that everything here is nice and smooth, round surfaces, so it's easy to clean. As well as the sound enclosure comes off very easy. You take that off and you just pop this piece off here, and then you can actually finish cleaning in and around, and your sound enclosures, nice hand wash on these, and you're good to go to put it back together again. The Blendtec Stealth comes with a great warranty. It's a 1-year bench warranty, so at your nearest service center closest to you. It's got a 3-year parts, and as well as we have an industry-leading 1-year replacement warranty on the jars. Are you already blending and want to do it faster? Are you tired of the noise? Are you thinking about blending and looking for the right blender? The Blendtec Stealth 885 is the most versatile blender available in the marketplace today. It's also our top-selling blender in our lineup, and it's earned a place to be the king of the blenders. It really has. I know that when you take one of these blenders and you put it into your location, you will love it, as all of our customers do.